Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Sabay ka sige pa. Sabay ka, Lola.
One more. I'd like to say this.
Hello, Ma. A lot of people want to say happy birthday to you. Are you ready for your big surprise? Surprise!
Okay, ready. Go, ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Molly. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Molly. Love you.
Happy birthday, Laya. I love you.
Mwah. Say mwah.
Mwah.
Mwah. How about you, Rusty? Mwah.
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 Happy birthday, Lolly.
How about you? Happy birthday, Lolly.
Happy birthday, Tita Arlene! Wow! My God! Golden ka na! From Topeka, we'd like to greet you the best possible celebration. May you have all the blessings in the world, and may God grant you all your heart desires.
Hi, Tita Arlene. We love you. Wishing you more birthdays and blessings to come.
Yeah, you are still very pretty for a 70-year-old Tita Arlene. So we miss you so much, and I hope you will have fun with your celebration there. And there are many more birthdays to come, and
We love you!
we love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy 18th birthday, Tita Arlene! We love you! Mwah!
To my beautiful Ninang, happy birthday po. Syempre, I wish you good health, longer life, and more birthdays to celebrate, more parties to attend, and masayang birthday. I love you. See you soon po.
To my amazing friend, my BFF, I wish you all the best on your birthday. May you have more candles to blow and good health always. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! God bless!
Joyeux anniversaire, joyeux anniversaire, joyeux anniversaire, Lolarline. Joyeux anniversaire.
Sending lots of love from France.
You're as gorgeous, fun, and full of life as ever.
And we hope you're dancing the night away.
And celebrating in your style.
We miss you and can't wait to see you again soon.
Bisous. Mwah.
Happy 18th birthday again, Tita Arlene! Thank you so much for being a second mother to all of us, for being a source of inspiration, of joy, happiness, and peace. You've always lived your life to the very fullest, and I have nothing but respect and admiration for you. May the Lord grant you your fervent prayers, and I wish you all the best. I love you!
Happy birthday, Lola Arlene! Ayun, Lola Arlene, alam ko na lahat naman nasa sayo na. Kagandahan, kayamanan. Hindi, Lola, may gusto lang din kaming share sa'yo. Gusto lang namin din encourage ka. Sabi dito sa Bible, sabi dito sa Joshua chapter 1 verse 9, sabi ng Lord, "This is my command. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or discouraged, for the Lord your God is with you whenever you go." So yun, Lola, alam ko naman na very pure ang heart mo. Kahit na kami ay apo sa gigilid. Very thankful kami na kilala namin kayo. And masaya kami na naging part din ng family ninyo. Ayun nga, Lola, salamat. Very thankful kami na kilala namin kayo. Pinakilala namin kayo sa amin ni JM. Siguro may purpose at may kadahilan ng lahat ba tayo nagkakilala. So yun nga, Lola, hoping na magkita tayo this year. At alam ko naman na marami pang ballroom ang paparating sa buhay mo. Masaya kami pag nakikita namin kayo na ganun. Kaya, Lola, enjoy nyo yung birthday nyo today. Enjoy nyo yung, hindi lang itong birthday ninyo. Alam ko naman na ini-enjoy ninyo yung birthday ninyo. Ay, yung mismong kayo. Kung ano kayo sa, basta yun.
Miss ka na namin, Lola Arlene.
Ayun, Lola. Anyway, Lola, ang prayer namin sa'yo, lagi ka naman naging kasama sa prayer namin. So, yun, Lola. Hoping na makita namin kayo this year. And happy birthday ulit, Lola.
Happy birthday ulit, Lola.
Love na love ka namin.
Miss you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Tita Arlene. I just want to greet you happy birthday, and I do hope that you enjoy your party tonight with your family. This is such a great milestone, and I can't wait to see you again. I miss you. I love you. Bye.
Oh. Hi, pretty woman. Diyos ko, hindi ako makakope up sa mga activities mo. Talaga naman, talo mo pa si Imelda Marcos holiday, everyday holiday. Which is good naman, talaga. Dapat lang enjoy natin ang buhay natin, mga remaining years natin, di ba? Oh, you're doing the right thing. Enjoy. And I hope na huwag mong kalilimutan si God, ha? Okay, give time. Huwag kang sayaw ng sayaw. Dapat sasayaw din ang puso mo kay Lord, okay? Love you so much. Grabe ang tulong mo sa aking anak na si Angie. Nung nagpunta dyan sa Cebu, nag-i-istorya sa mga ginawa mong kabutihan. At in-istorya mo pa yung mga nakaraan natin na napaka-lagim, kumbaga. Tawa ng tawa si Angie. Alam mo? Happy siya sa'yo, which is hindi kanya nila tinuring na iba. Diba?
Happy 17th birthday,
17th?
Mama Chief.
Magdidibo ka pa lang? Sus, Ginoo. Ang laki ng tanda mo sa'yo. Grabe ka.
Love you.
Love you. Enjoy. Ay, Len. Thank you so much for taking good care of your mama. Alam mo, your reward is in heaven.
I love you, Telen.
Love you.
Hi, Tita Arlene. Happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday. I just want to say thank you for always being there for us and treating us as part of your family and for being Mama's best friend. Please know that you and your family will always be a part of our family, and I'm very blessed. We are very blessed to have someone like you in our lives, And may all your wishes come true, and may God give you the best of health. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
70.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. All right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, we love you.
Konnichiwa, Mama Arin. Shinai naro okasan o tanjube. Omedetou gozaimasu. Nihon de no iwai. Tanoshinde kudasai. California no avenido que caray o comete. Translation. Happy birthday, Mama Arlene. We love you. From the Avenidos in California.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Bobo.
No, Len, for
Thank
the
you for the kimono.
Sponsored by Len. Love you.
Hi, Len. Kumusta na? Ma-beauty pa rin, syempre. Oh, happy birthday sa'yo. Pare-pareho na tayong nasa 70s nila Beth. Sana panay kang maging malusog at masaya. Buti naman at nagkaroon kami ng pagkakataon na batiin ka. Nagulat nga ako nung nag-message sa akin si Annalyn. At natutuwa kami na mabati ka namin kahit sa video lang. Okay, enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday, Pinsan. I love you.
Hello, my forever young mommy, sexy, pretty. I'm wishing you a happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day in Japan. I miss you so much and hopefully to see you in Cebu. Bye!
Hi, birthday girls! Nandito kami sa kay dad tsaka kay mom. Ang saya naman birthday mo. Happy birthday. And also congratulations to Andre, ang galing-galing mo. Sis, happy birthday. Love you.
Din, sabi ng daddy at mami, happy birthday daw. Magpakabait na raw. Dadala. Mamaya.
Happy birthday, Mama. Love you, Mama.
Happy birthday, Lola Arlene. We miss you. We love you. Bye.
Birthday, Ate Arlene. Love you.
Happy birthday, Alan. Happy birthday, Alan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Alan. Birthday, Alan. I love you.
Hello po, Tita Arlene. As you celebrate your 70th birthday, I just wanna greet you a happy birthday. To the amazing, sexy, adorable, super sweet tita in the universe. Your kindness, laughter, and wisdom have made the world around you so much brighter. Yung mga daily morning quotes mo po, guided me every day. May kasama pa yung I love you, I miss you. Almost every day yun ha. Maraming salamat po talaga sa lahat ng mga talks natin. Na minsan naabot tayo ng ilang oras sa pag-uusap sa mga bagay-bagay. At dahil doon, maraming salamat po sa mga advices at sa lahat ng mga learnings ko po about life. Thank you for being there always. Salamat po sa pagmamahal, sa care, sa love. At ikaw din po, ingat kayo lagi. Wish you good health. I pray that this year would be filled with good health, joy, peace, and love. Enjoy lang po lagi. Our dancing queen. Again, happy birthday. And hope to see you soon po. Love you and miss you po, tita.
Happy birthday, Mama Arlene. We love you.
We love you.
Hope to see you soon.
Hope to see you soon.
Allen, happy birthday.
Hi, Vic. Happy birthday.
Ayaw magpakita.
Enjoy your birthday, okay? And may you have many more birthdays to come. Okay?
O, sige.
Okay. Enjoy ka lang dyan.
Pagaling ka para makachimang ka dito.
Okay. Bye.
Okay.
Happy
Bye-bye.
birthday.
Happy birthday, Arlene. I miss you. I love you. Mwah.
Hello, Mama A! Happy birthday! Sayang, wala kami sa birthday mo, pero hope to see you pag uwi namin sa Philippines. Enjoy your birthday! We love you!
We miss you! Happy birthday po!
Mama!
Happy birthday, Lola!
We love you!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa'yo! Happy birthday, Tita A! I hope na makapunta ka dito ng maayos at payapa. Walang problema sa lahat. Maayos po ang inyong kalusugan. Yan lamang po. God bless po!
Happy birthday, Tita A. We wish you good health, more blessings, and sana humaba pa yung buhay mo. Humaba hanggat gusto mo. So, Tita A, grabe when we watch you dancing. And you're doing it with so much fun, so much energy. Grabe, parang hindi ka 40 years old na. You're such an inspiration to us. So, keep on dancing. The dance floor is so lucky to have you. Happy birthday.
Yes po, Tita A. Bye-bye.
Enjoy
your day po. Happy birthday. And keep smiling.
Hi, Lolly! Happy birthday! I hope you're having a wonderful day today. We just wanted to greet you and send you lots of love from us.
Hi, Lolly! Happy birthday! I hope you are healthy and smiling.
Yes, we wish you more happiness and of course, good health always. Enjoy your special day, Lolly. We love you. Again, happy birthday!
Lolly!
We miss you. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lolly. Happy birthday to you. Mama!
Happy birthday, Lolly!
Yeah.
We love you!
Love you! Yeah, that's right.
Hi, Arlene. Happy birthday. Kailan kaya tayo magkita yung anak? Sa lahat ng inanak ko lang, walay. Love you. Bye-bye.
Ate Arlene, happy birthday! May you have more birthdays to come. Love you. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Hi, Auntie Arlene. This is your cousin Raquel, wishing you good health always, happiness, and more Hello Kitty. I hope we get to see you and the rest of our Rivera cousins someday. We love you from me and the rest of your cousins here in Seattle. Love you. Mwah.
Hi Len, happy birthday. This is your cousin Elma from Seattle, Washington. I hope you're having a great time. Have a good time on your birthday with your family, yung mga bata. Enjoy ka lang and stay healthy. And just keep on thinking na mahal ka namin. Okay? Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Lola Arlene!
Enjoy your time in Japan. Enjoy your time with family. We love you.
Happy 70th birthday. May you have more blessings, more dancing, more happy times. Happy birthday, hugs and kisses. Bye.
Happy birthday, Lolly. Happy birthday, Lolly. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lolly. Happy birthday, Lolly. I miss you. Enjoy your birthday in Japan.
Happy
birthday, Tita. We love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, dear Bess Arlene. May you have many, many more birthdays to come with all of us. More dancing, more happy times with us. Okay, bye.
Happy birthday! Wishing you more and more years to come. I hope you will enjoy your day and enjoy your vacation with your family. Happy birthday again! Bye! Hello Arlene! Best Arlene! Happy, 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 healthy, healthy, wealthy birthday! I love you, I love you, I love you!
Hello! Hi, Tita A! Happy birthday! Come back soon!
Yes, Tita A, I just want to greet you a happy birthday. God bless you always. More birthdays to come. Good health, more blessings, and of course, we love you so much from the Well Boys Foundation. Again, happy birthday with my buddy.
Happy birthday, Tita A!
Bye!
Now is Arlene. Oh, okay, you do it. Okay, I'll do it. Love, happy birthday. We are probably crazy, but in reality, it's only we are in a special edition. We have so many kalukuhan, we have so many times that it is. Happy birthday, love. Miss Arlene, I love you. You know me. Sama tayo bukas. Okay? At saka you will celebrate your birthday there. I will bring my OOTD. 2 OOTD for us. Eat your heart out. Happy birthday, and I love you.
Hey, Tita A!
Hey, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Wish you all the best.
The best and the best.
Thank you sa mga, thank you for being Tita A. Yeah.
Happy birthday.
More power. More power.
Love you, Tita A.
We love you. Enjoy your birthday. Cheers.
Happiest birthday forever and ever, pretty woman.
Hi, Bess. You know, when James told me he's gonna give you a birthday surprise, a birthday video surprise, so I said yes, and of course, so here I am. You know, when I first learned about you, that you like Hello Kitty, I was wondering, who's this girl? Who's this lady? And then when you were introduced to me, I said, wow, ang ganda naman ng babaeng ito. Parang artista. O, diba? And then we became friends, and we chatted, we were together, and we messaged, and, you know, I learned that you're so sweet, so kind, so affectionate, so thoughtful. You're also a good leader. You know, whenever your group has a birthday event, ikaw ang nag-lead, ikaw pa bumibili. Believe ako sa iyo. So, you're different. You're one of a kind. You're so undescribable. So that's on your birthday, ang wish ko sa iyo is that sana happy ka all the time. More years para sayaw pa tayo. And also I hope life gives you all your wishes, that all your wishes come true. And more blessings pa. More blessings. Diba? I know, alam mo, when yung Diyos, yung pagbibigay niya ng mga ganyan, yung mga graces, siguro nasa harap ka because nakuha mo lahat eh. You're not only beautiful, you're kind, you're everything. So Bez, I love you and hope to see you soon. Sana naman mag-birthday ka rin dito with us. So, greet kita a very, very, very happiest birthday ever. Alam ko, celebrate mo ngayon with your family. Of course, family always comes first. Pero, celebrate also with us soon. So, happy birthday again. Love you, beautiful, gorgeous lady. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Mommy Arlene. By the way, I'm her newest adopted daughter. How I wish, sabi ko nga sa kanya, how I wish I have your beauty and grace and the dance moves as well. But then she told me you can, because I can be your second mother. Because when she asked me where's my mom, I told her we lost our mother 3 years ago. But anyway, I'm so happy I met you, Mommy Arlene. And you know what? You had a very, very big heart, very generous. And one thing I really love from her is she's so funny. And she had a very big heart. And she's very generous. She always have pasalubong for me. I love you so much. We're gonna miss you during your birthday, but my prayers and wishes for you is stay healthy, keep on dancing, and of course, looking forward to see you again in Level 8 soon. Tingnan natin kasi wala nang lindol. I'm hoping and praying. I love you so much, Mommy Arlene. Happy birthday. And I'm so grateful and thankful to be part of your life. Love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, my BFF. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Wish you so much, my BFF. Love you. Happy birthday and have a good day.
Yeah. There's like a hash bar right there.
Happy birthday, dear. Thank you for being so thoughtful. Thank you for being such a nice friend to me. I just wish you the best of everything. You're my idol in everything. You're so pretty, fabulous, and gorgeous. Stay sweet and be careful and stay healthy all the time. I love you.
Hello, Ate A! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best, good health, more enjoy, dancing, and alam mo na, eating! Yan, kain lang, enjoy lang, okay? Happy birthday! And thank you so much for the friendship, sa pagiging tita namin. Salamat talaga. And enjoy life lang talaga, tita, okay? Yeah, enjoy!
Hello, Bes! Happy birthday! May God bless you! Alam mo, kahit wala ako dyan sa tabi mo, alam kong palagi akong nasa puso mo. Napakabait mo sa akin, maalalahanin at palagi mo akong mini-message. Yan ang gustong-gusto ko sa iyo. Maalalahanin. Sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay ng Diyos. At masayang happy birthday. Hindi ko na alam kung anong sasabihin ko sa iyo kasi hindi ako marunong mag-video. Ako lang mag-isa dito ngayon sa bahay. Sige lang. See you. Malapit na akong dumating dyan. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday again. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Arlene!
Mom, happy birthday, Mom. Wish good health and more birthday. Birthday, Ma'am Arlene.
Ma'am Arlene, happy birthday. Marami pang birthday dumating sa iyo. Good health always.
And happy birthday, Ma'am Arlene! We love you! And more birthdays to come. Enjoy sa Japan. Mahal ka namin. I love you so much. Move mo. Oh.
Happy birthday! We love you, Mom. See you.
Happy birthday, Ninang. More birthdays to come and good health always.
Yeah. Happy birthday! I love you.
Ate Arlene, happy birthday. More years to celebrate. I love you.
Happy birthday, love. May you have more birthdays to come. God bless.
Hi, Len. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, love. May you have more birthdays to come. Love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Loli. See you soon.
Surprise! Happy 18th birthday to you, Mother dear, the most beautiful of all, Queen Arlene. I'm here in Portugal. Happy birthday to you. Love you. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ma. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ma. Love you.
Hola, Mami. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you. Mami, may wish for you many blessings, happiness, health, love, and everything you are meriting in your life. Happy birthday, Mommy. God bless you. I hope you had a really excellent, nice day with Lomiliana Linecha. Thank you, Mommy, for everything. Thank you. God bless you. Love you. Happy birthday again. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. Mama, my beautiful Mommy, happy birthday. I wish for you many blessings, love, health. everything's good for you. I love you, Mami. Feliz cumpleaños.
Happy birthday, Ate. Mama Arlene, wishing you a day as bright and beautiful as your smile. Love you always.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mommy. We love you. Enjoy Japan, Mommy. We miss you so much and we love you. Thank you for all the love and care. Thank you for being a very, very amazing mommy to us. And we love you so much.
God bless you,
Enjoy.
Mommy.
God bless
Say,
you.
I love you too, Mommy.
We love you, Loli.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday. It's me and Amanda. I hope you like your special message. No voice, but welcome to Tokyo and enjoy your birthday. Love you. We love you.